Does your office look this dramatic and chaotic like this, and this? Or does it look well arranged and in orderly manner like this? But you find it time consuming, locating files, carrying files, and sorting multiple documents like this. We have a solution for you. Cloud Document Management System. We have developed a friendly, easy to use document management system that will make you go paperless in your office. Document management features. Part of the features you will be enjoying in this software is that you will have full access control with security. It is mobile friendly. It creates roles and sub accounts. It sets reminders on documents and certificates with a very powerful search inbuilt. You will have periodic backup of your files with notifications and audit trails to monitor and control your documents. So you do not need to have large documents in your office. You need to go paperless. And when you go paperless, you will be able to access your files from all locations. Cloud Document Management System is that system that you need to go paperless and work from all locations. You do not need to be stranded sorting out files and accessing files in your office when you are outside your office location. All you need is a click of the mouse, either from your system or from your mobile devices. And then you can access your office documents and work remotely from all locations. In this new normal, you need to go paperless in your office operations. Come with me as I walk you through this cloud document management system. Let's get started. So this is the interface, the login, the admin login interface. So at this point, you need to enter your username and password, then you log in. So once you are logged in, this is the dashboard of this application. What we did is we uploaded this on our portal, on our web portal as a directory. So if we are hosting this for you, we'll host it on the cloud. Okay, so this is the dashboard, right? Now this is going to bear your company logo and your company name, and then it's going to bear your name. Search for whatever you're looking for in this system. I will walk you through these different options and how they work. It is a very simple application, but yet powerful. Now we have the shared document. Shared document is where you can upload your files. For instance, I want to upload a file from my system. I will simply click on choose file and then locate the file from my system and then click choose, and then I will make a comment. What is this file for? Okay, I will say this is business address. Okay, I can make as much comment as I want. Then I'll put it on a department. Okay, what department is this file meant for? However, I need you to understand that this, I am logged in as admin. And as an admin, I have access to all the departments. So I'm just creating this file as an admin. So let me put this file in IT department. I will show you how you can create a department. Okay, so I have chosen the file and I've entered the title of the file or comment, and then I click upload. So once I click upload, the file will be uploaded. File successfully uploaded. Business address document is a Word document, right? Now I can come to file management to look at the files that have been uploaded into the system. Like I told you, as an admin, I have right to all the files. I have access to all the files. This system is a hierarchical arrangement system. If you have a top management staff of the company, they can have the admin right to access all the files on all the departments. But different departments and their personnel will only be able to access files that are uploaded into their department. Okay, so as admin, I have the right to all these files. And also as admin, I have the right to delete, right? I have the right to delete a file, but other users will not have right to delete files. Here, we can create users. I, as an admin, I can create a user. So let's create a user right away. If I click on this add user, I will see the users that have been created. So these are the users that have been created already. Now, let me create another user. For instance, I want to say user JBE. Then, okay, user JB. Then other name is JB. Okay, JBE. Right? I'll enter my email address. For instance, I will put this. Okay. Now, what department do I want to put JB? So I want to put JB in account department. So I will enter account department. And then what role do I want to assign to this person? A regular user is based on department. Okay. While admin is for departmental roles and control. You know, as an admin, you can have right to other departments. So I'm creating this person as a regular user. Then I will click submit. So user successfully added. So here I have the user. Okay, so this is the user, this is the other user, and this is the user. Okay, so I can actually come and delete a user, or I can also edit a user. Okay, once a user is created, the password of that user for his own login will be sent to his email. Once the password is sent to his email, he can pick a default password and then log in to his account. Okay, so the password has been sent to igwe.jumbo360@gmail.com. Now, let me sign out as admin and then go back to sign in as the user. Let us see the user interface of the user that has been created. Okay, so I will log out as admin here. Then I will log in as a user. Enter the password I was sent. I am logged in as JB. Can you see JB? Okay. Now you see the interface. The interface is quite limited, right? Here I can change my password. I will click on this to change my password from the default password to a new password. So I'll enter a new password. Okay, this is the current password. That is the current password that was sent to me. Then I'll change it to a new password. Then I'll click on change. Yeah, so I have changed the password. So when I'm logging in next, I will use the new password I have changed it to. Here, I can look at my files based on my department. Okay, now look at the department that I was placed, that JB was placed, is account department, right? So is account department. So that is where JB was placed. So JB does not have right to see IT department files. These are the files that were uploaded on the account department, right? JB can also upload files by clicking on upload files, and then you can upload files into the account department. Okay, so here is the, then you can make a comment and say co-working, okay, then upload. So this file will be uploaded into the account department folder. Okay, it has been uploaded. Okay, this is the file that has been uploaded. You can also view the file. Once you click, you will view the content of the file. Okay, so this is the regular users section. Okay, now let's log out of the regular users section and then go back to the admin area to look at other options. So I'm on the admin area. Now this is telling me users is 3. We have total number of users 3. We have all files uploaded is 6. Duplicate, if there is any duplicate, is to tell you. And then we have nearing due date, that is files that will have notifications on. Okay, but let's see how that works. Now we come down to settings. We can look at settings to see the things we have here. So this settings is to change the admin settings. So this is the email of the admin. We can change the email. Okay, this is the name of the company. That is the name you have here. You can change it here. You can also change the logo. So this is fully customizable. You can customize it yourself by coming to these settings. So you can change the admin email, change the name of the company, and then also change the company logo. Let's go to department. So I want to add a department. So let me add engineering department. So add new department, engineering. Okay, so let's create an engineering department and then save. So we'll have it here, close. So we'll have engineering department, let's refresh. So we'll have engineering department here, right? So we'll have 3, so we can create as many departments as possible and then create users and assign them into this department for their documentation. Okay, now let's go back to file management. Now these files, as an admin, I can view a file, I can set a reminder, I can share files, I can also update the file. Now, for a company that have lots of certificates that needs periodic renewal, like every 1 year or every 2 years, you can actually come and set the notification here and then make sure that it do not expire before you get to know about it. So for instance, let us say we want to set notification on this particular file that was uploaded. So I will click on reminder and then I'll enter the date. You can also choose the date depending on the browser you are using. You can choose the date 2022. Okay, so this is the email that we receive this reminder. If I want to change this email, I will click on update admin email and then change this email. So this email will be the one that will receive the notification. So let's put our note here. Say, kindly renew at due date. Okay, so once I click on set reminder, this will be set. This reminder will be set. Okay, there's an error here because I think I did not enter this properly. Okay, so that is the date format. So you set the reminder and then it will remind you on that particular date that you set that this certificate is due for renewal. What this means is if your certificate is due for renewal on April 20th, 2022, the system to remind you on the 15th of April 2022 to give you time to prepare and get the certificate renewed. So these are the functions. I can also decide to share this file. I can share it to an email. If I have someone that I need to look at this file, I can share the file with the person via email. So all I do is to enter the email address and then enter a note and then share. And then this file will be sent to the person via email. Okay, so these are the functions and much more on this document management system. What this means is that you will have that accessibility to your files, okay, from any location. You can use your mobile device, you can use your laptop to access this system and then work on the go. In this post-COVID era, you do not need to stress yourself moving from one office to another or from one location to another to access your files, you can access it on the go, and your personnel can work remotely, comfortably, sharing files and then carrying out documentation for your bids and all your office operations. This is the solution that we have developed to save you from running a chaotic office that is filled with documents to access. Even if your documents are well organized like this, I can assure you that you cannot access these files unless you come into this office. But with our document management system, you can access your files on the go without having to stress yourself with low piles of office documents that you keep sorting and wasting your operational time. With our document management system, you can operate from the comfort of your home, or even when you are on transit, you can get the job done remotely. So take advantage of this application, get in touch with us, and then we will be obliged to set this system up for you for effective productivity in your workplace. This is very affordable, I can assure you. Other document management system may be very expensive to acquire, but I can assure you this particular solution is very, very affordable. Take advantage of this. Thank you and God bless.